Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Microsoft ID, valid payment method, and an existing Azure tenant if required. First, sign into Portal. Azure. Com and choose Subscriptions from the left menu. This is where you create or link a subscription. Once done, click Add, pick an offer or Pay as you go, then enter a descriptive subscription name and billing scope. Make sure to select the correct tenant to avoid later cross-tenant issues, because the tenant determines identity and access boundaries. Next, configure billing and access so costs and permissions are correctly applied. In the subscription blade, set the billing owner and invoice profile. This controls who receives invoices and can manage charges. Then, assign RBAC roles like owner or contributor to your administrators. Use least privilege to reduce risk. After that, link the subscription to a management group or create resource groups to organize resources. Make sure to review cost center tags and policies to enforce governance from day one. Finish by verifying the subscription state and enabling any required resource providers such as Microsoft, Compute, or Microsoft Storage. These are often disabled by default. You should also request quota increases if you plan high-scale workloads. Once active, deploy a test VM or storage account to confirm provisioning works. If something fails, check 3 things first: tenant selection, RBAC permissions for your user, and payment method or billing holds. These are the most common blockers and usually resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.